boys, Mickey Jack here, loving life, living life. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, come on in, have a seat, get comfortable, because it's time for Texas Mickey Facts. Did you guys know that the largest great white sharks produce a bite force of up to 1.8 tons? By comparison, an African lion can produce around 560 kgs of bite force, and a human approximately about 80 kgs, making the great white bite more than 20 times harder than that of a human. I wouldn't compare myself to a shark, but there you have it, another Texas Mickey fact.